Hi guys, welcome back to Valley Air Rifles. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bring your airgun stock back to life using boiled linseed oil. It's simple, affordable and makes your wood look stunning while offering protection too. Enjoy the video.
First of all, take the stock away from the action with whatever tool which is required. Take off any tape or any other accessories that's on the stock. Taking off the Picatinny rail was an absolute nightmare, as I screwed it on too tight and the whole thing came out. Start by wiping down the stock to remove any dirt, dust or grease. If the surface is rough or scratched, lightly sand it down with fine grit sandpaper. Always work with the grain of the wood to avoid marks. I've skipped this step as I'd rather a lightly rough surface.
Now take your boiled linseed oil and pour a small amount onto a clean cloth. Start rubbing it into the stock in circular motions, then finish off with long strokes going with the grain. You'll instantly see the wood darken and the grain come alive. It's such a satisfying transformation. Let the oil soak in for a couple of minutes, then take a clean cloth and gently wipe away the excess. Don't leave it wet or sticky, just a nice even finish. Now repeat the process until you are happy with your result.
And here's the final result, a beautifully restored stock that's protected, nourished and looks stunning in the field or at the range. If this video helped you out, give the video a like and hit subscribe for more airgun tips, shooting, tests and gear reviews. Let me know in the comments if you've tried boiled linseed oil or if you've got your own method.